Hello and welcome back to the No Gluten Zone. I create content for people with what I call food issues. And that can be allergies, sensitivities, intolerances, or just autoimmune issues that affect your diet. And today I have another recipe for you. I am sharing my favorite way to make chicken thighs. These are boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and I like to bake them. And this is a great recipe because you can change the seasoning and give yourself variety within the same recipe. I love that when a recipe allows you to do that. So I have rinsed and dried these boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and I did wash my hands after that. I just want to interrupt your video for one quick moment. YouTube is telling me that the majority of my viewers are not subscribed to my channel. So if that's you, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, I would like to ask you to please consider hitting the subscribe button. It's totally free. And if you hit the bell icon, you will be notified of videos I upload in the future. And if you enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you don't like it, give me a thumbs down. That really helps me plan my content in the future. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Now back to your video. And I'm going to add a little bit of a neutral flavored oil, just a little bit. And I'm using avocado oil, but whatever neutral flavored oil you like. And I'm only going to put a little because chicken thighs have more fat than chicken breast does. When you cook them, they release that fat too. So then I'm going to add the seasoning. For this recipe, I have done so many different variations for seasonings, but my favorite that I always come back to is this Traeger rub blend. It says garlic chili pepper, and this is gluten-free. If you're gluten-free and you're wondering, it does say gluten-free, not certified, but it has been checked by my gluten detection dog. And I think that I checked it on anemia sensor when we first got it too. It has salt, cane sugar, spices. It says including basil, brown sugar, paprika, garlic, chili pepper, and cane molasses. So it's just a nice barbecue-y, smoky kind of flavor with a little bit of sweetness in there. And I just really, really like it, especially in this particular recipe. So I put kind of a lot, but we're going to mix it in. So I put a pretty heavy coating of it over the top of it right now, and then I'm going to mix it in. I am going to add a little extra salt. I just know that my family likes that. This does have some salt in it, but you can do it according to how you like it. Okay, I just do this with my hands. You could totally use some kind of utensils or however you want to do it. And I just kind of toss it in here and get it evenly coated. And yes, I'm going to go wash my hands again. Okay, so I have a baking sheet. I lined it with parchment just for easier cleanup after. That is totally optional. And I'm just going to put the chicken onto the baking sheet. And you guessed it, I'm going to wash my hands again. Okay, so they are on the baking sheet. I'm going to put these in a 425 Fahrenheit oven and bake them. I like them 40 to 45 minutes. I like them pretty well done. That's just my personal preference, but you can try it yourself and check it at, 30 minutes, 35 minutes and see how you like them. My husband likes them less done than I do. So I'm just saying it does come down to personal preference to a certain extent. So I'm going to pop these in the oven and I will meet you back here for the taste test. My sincerest apologies. For whatever reason that I do not understand, my microphone completely failed here. So the chicken was done and I'm going to do a taste test. It is really hot still, but I managed and it is really, really good. The texture, the flavor, like I said, I like it more well done, but it's not hard. It's not tough. It's still juicy and tender. And the flavor of the seasonings is just fantastic. Have a great day and God bless you. And thank you for joining me.